Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing an image you want as the file icon. Pick one with clear subject and square framing so it reads small. Once chosen, open Finder and locate the exact file. Make sure you have write access. Right-click and select Get Info to reveal the small icon in the top left of the info window. This is where you'll paste. Do this now, because it's faster than fiddling with app settings later and keeps the process focused. Next, open your chosen image in Preview to make quick adjustments, resize, crop, or add transparency. This ensures the icon looks right when scaled down. Once satisfied, select the image and hit Command-C to copy it to the clipboard. Switch back to the File's info window, click the small icon so it's highlighted, and press Command-V to paste. If it doesn't paste immediately, try copying again or use an exported PNG. This step, after pasting, close the info window and refresh Finder by switching folders or logging out and back in. This forces the UI to redraw the icon. If you want to revert, reopen Get Info, select the icon and press Delete to restore the original. If the new icon doesn't take, make sure you have permission to modify the file and that the image is a PNG or properly copied. Convert it in Preview if needed. This resolves most paste failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.